Welcome back to South Bay Ford. I am Brandon. Today we are looking at one of our oldest cars on our lot, a 1970 Ford Bronco. And I just want to do a quick walk around. This is a $90,000 car, or at least that is what we're listing it at for. But I know there's definitely a crowd for this. It's a two-door, soft top. Look at the size of these. You can't really tell how big they are until you see that's my little hand. Oh man. Color-coded springs, shock absorbers. Got that Bronco badge. So the shell of this Bronco Sport, it's all metal, and it's like old cars. They just seem so much heavier, and you'd imagine it to be strong and you'd be safe in here, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, these are not that safe. There's a very nice racing stripe that goes down the middle of this, and I can just imagine it's a sunny day, spring is near, almost, and you can take down this top. You're having a glorious time. Now I've been told that these metal cables are, you don't see these tow cables anymore because I think they're supposed to be nylon now, and metal is illegal because it's dangerous. I've watched too many movies where people use these wrong, I guess. Now on our website you can find more details about this Bronco. I just wanted to show you a quick walk around, just let you know that we have this classic. There's definitely a market for it. If you're a collector, you know where to find it. South Bay Ford, thank you so much. 13,000 miles. It's sitting pretty right here. South Bay Ford Lincoln.